Want to hide followers on Thread? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily hide followers on Thread. First thing first, head over to your application Thread. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, move into your profile. Click on these two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. It will open up the settings page. Inside the settings, head over to privacy. Move into profile privacy. Now you should know that there is no any direct feature or the option in order for you to hide the followers in Thread account. So what else you can do is enable this option, private profile. Tap on OK. Now once your profile is private, the people who doesn't follow you and other people will not be able to view your followers and following list. That way you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.